In this video, we will learn about the Satvahana dynasty. So this was one of the major dynasty who ruled in the Deccan Plateau, and you can see the territory occupied by the Satvahana dynasty and some of the important cities like Ujjain, Pratishthan, Amravati, Vanavasi, and Girinagar, and some of the ports like Sopara, Kalyan, and Brigu Kutch, that is Bharuch, were also developed by the kings of Satvahana dynasty. So now let's look at some of the important kings of the Satvahana dynasty. So now we'll first start with the when this dynasty ruled. So the Satvahana dynasty ruled in India from around 230 BC to 220 CE, so around 400 years, and had several notable kings. Some of the prominent ones, these are only the prominent ones, and I have made the short notes for you to understand the concepts much better. So the Satvahana dynasty ruled from 230 BC to 220 CE and almost 400 years, and there were almost 30 kings of the Satvahana dynasty which ruled in the Deccan Plateau and the South India. So, and there were other dynasties which were ruling in other parts of the subcontinent also during the Satvahana dynasty. So the first king, which was the founder of Satvahana dynasty, was Simuk. He is regarded as the founder of Satvahana dynasty. So he ruled from 230 to 207 BC. He expanded the Satvahana dynasty in the Deccan Plateau and from the present day Andhra Pradesh to nearly the to western Maharashtra, and there were many small rulers like small governors of the kingdoms. They were known as Mahabhojaks. So he united many Mahabhojaks and told them to come under the Satvahana dynasty, and this is how he expanded his empire. So he was the founder. Simuk was the founder of the Satvahana dynasty, and then after that there was his son Satkarni. So after Simuk died, there was no heir to the throne at that time because Satkarni was a small child. So Kanha, who was the brother of Simuk, ruled for some time, and after that he gave the throne to Satkarni. So Satkarni ascended the throne in 180 BC and he ruled till 170 BC, as there is the dateline. You can look at the dateline, and he was known for expanding the empire and consolidating power. He also expanded the empire and consolidated the power. After that, there was Gautami Putra Satkarni. He is one of the notable kings. And so what happened that Satkarni expanded the empire and he was a very brave ruler. So after Satkarni, all the rulers of this dynasty, that is Satvahana dynasty, were known with the Satkarni surname. So after that, one of the notable rulers was Gautami Putra Satkarni. He ruled from 106 to 130 CE, and he was notable for his military conquests and patronage of Buddhism. So what happened, that's during the rule of Gautami Putra Satkarni, some of the Shak rulers who were based in the western India, in Gujarat and in northwestern India, expanded their empire and defeated the Satvahanas. But Gautami Putra Satkarni defeated the leader of the Shaks, that is Nahapana, in the war, and took back Pune and Nasik from the Shaks, and Nahapana fled with Gautami Putra Satkarni's wife. So what happened is that Gautami Putra Satkarni killed the entire family of Nahapana, and he gave a chance to, and then he returned with his wife. So this can be seen in the Nasik caves, which was made by his mother Gautami Balashri. Gautami Balashri was the mother of Gautami Putra Satkarni, and she made some figures in the caves. That is the story in the caves about his son. So this can be seen in Nasik caves. After that, there was Vashishtra Putra Satkarni. He ruled from 158 to 159 CE. He was known for his extensive military campaigns and inscriptions. And after that was the Yajna Shri Satkarni. So this was one of the notable rulers, and he was one of the last rulers of the Satkarni dynasty. He expanded the empire as well as developed ports. So he developed ports like Brigu Kutch, that is Bharuch, Sopara and Kalyan, and extensive trade took place in the Satvahana dynasty during his reign, and lots of gold was imported from Rome, that is Italy, Rome, and silk and luxury goods, spices were exported from India to Rome, and gold was imported from Rome to these ports, Sopara, Kalyan, as well as Bharuch. So during Yajna Satkarni, there was the Satvahana Empire flourished and was a very rich empire. After that, the empire fragmented into many kingdoms, and there were many rulers after that also, but the empire fragmented into many kingdoms, and there were no notable rulers as they were not that much powerful. And after that, some of the other kings, some of the other dynasties such as Abhirs and Ikshvakus took the territories conquered by the Satavahanas. So this is all about the Satvahana dynasty, and these are short notes. I have explained about each and every king in this video. That is Simukh Satkarni, Gautami Putra Satkarni, Vashishta Putra Satkarni, and Yajnashri Satkarni. So one of the notable rulers was second ruler, that is Satkarni. He ruled with his wife Nagnika, and he was a devout Hindu. So he made many sacrifices as well as he performed rituals, and he performed Vedic rituals. So after Satkarni's death, that is the second ruler, Satkarni's death, so Nagnika, who was his wife, ruled for some time, and she was the first queen to mint coins in her name. Satkarni and Nagnika both minted coins in their names. So this is all about Satvahana dynasty, and hope you found this video informational. I have explained about each and every king. This will be helpful to you during your preparation in prelims as well as mains. So you have to learn about the rulers: Simukh Satkarni, Gautami Putra Satkarni, Vashishtra Putra Satkarni, and Yajnashri Satkarni, and you have to remember the timeline. So this is, hope you found this video informational. I will see you in the next video.